trying to add a microphone to my camera system, and I ordered a what appeared to be a mic that would work, and attempted to run it to the place, but then I discovered the single lead was only my GPS head that goes out on the bike. And so I gave up on trying to do that. But in the process, I've decided I might relocate my camera DVR system, which is this little unit. And I'm thinking I'm going to move it from coming out of this area and moving it into this area. And in order to do that, of course, I had to remove the side cowling of the bike. But I'm thinking I'm going to put a hole approximately there into that opening, and then run the leads, 2 camera leads, a GPS lead, and a mic lead through a small opening that I'll have to put in the forward box there on top of the tank. And with that as the only occupant inside the box, I think I can live with that DVR unit in that location. And I can also give myself a little bit more cable inside the unit because they all have quick disconnects there as well. All right, I did go ahead and put 2 holes in my forward compartment there. So all of the camera connections will go through there. Well, I'm all set to finalize it in the morning. I'm going to reroute it through those 2 holes behind the red tape. Then I'll clean up my wiring, my excess wiring here, and put the side panel back on. And I've tested it a few times to make sure everything functions properly. And it's time for a 4:30 beverage. Well, it's the next day. Came out all fresh, and here's where I've routed my camera connections, power connections, GPS connections, and the mic pickup. So that all will be comfortably behind the right side cowling as soon as I replace it. I think this access is going to make it a little handier to pop out the SIM card. I like doing that and transferring that to my computer. So this thing will just sort of essentially slide in here like this, and it will have its own little compartment out of the way. And I'll close it up. And for the most part, it's pretty waterproof. And as you can see, I still have a lot of lead that lets me pull that back through the unit. And that was my sort of double-sided sticky tape with the slit that let me slide those through. That gives it a little waterproof protection as well. Well, she's all back to normal. I'm not sure how I did it, but I lost one cam lock screw, and I'll have to get a replacement for that. It's the 2 screws that hold the forward area of the side panel in place, but I did lock it on the bottom, and of course it snapped closed all along that seam and secured beneath the seat with the cam lock and 2 screws. And of course that snaps back on, and then it's secured with 2 screws as well on the back side. So nothing's going to fall off. I hope I can find this cam lock. If not, I'll have to swing by the dealer and grab one. But at this moment, all is good. I now have my unit back in place in its new location, and that's a plus. So all wires are accessible, all pin plugs, so the unit can be removed if it had a malfunction, and put back in place when I'm ready. Thanks for following me along on this little adventure. We'll talk to you soon.